How to partition a hard drive in Windows 10. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, click on Windows R on your keyboard, which will open Run. You'll find this kind of screen. In here, simply type in disk mgmt.msc. Then press on Enter on your keyboard. You'll find this kind of screen. Select the disk you want to partition. After you've clicked on it, at the bottom, right click on it. Then click on Shrink Volume. After you've clicked on Shrink Volume, it will take some time. After it's done, select the amount of space to shrink in MB. Then press on Shrink at the bottom. After you have done that, you will find a new box which is unallocated. Right click on Unallocated. After you've right clicked on Unallocated, click on New Simple Volume, which is the first option. After you've done that, press on Next and complete everything in here by pressing on Next. After that, press on Next again. If you want to change anything, you can. Then press on Finish. After you have done that, you're good to go. This is how to partition a hard drive in Windows 10. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.